Hello again, let's get started with ArcGIS Online interface and customizing the home page. Once you log in, you are gonna see something similar to my screen, and this is the home page. Right on the top, there is the menu bar, and the second menu is gallery. Everything you upload in ArcGIS Online will be displayed here. However, as we will see in the upcoming videos, we can choose what to display and what not to display in this menu. The following menu, it is Map. This is similar to the map in ArcGIS Pro. So it is similar as the map that we open in ArcGIS Pro, where you can load layers and make different customization to them. The next one, it is Skin. This is similar to the map that we just seen, but for 3D data. You see I have a 3D globe here, and all the 3D layers can be loaded right in this application. The fifth one is Notebook. This is not a notebook for taking notes, but it is a Python Jupyter notebook, which is similar to the one in ArcGIS Pro, where we can perform Python scripts for different purposes. We are not going to use this menu at all, so don't be concerned if you lack programming skills. Then we have groups. Here we can create different groups for different purposes. We will get right into this menu very soon. Then there is the content menu. In my opinion, it is the most important and frequently used menu because it allows you to create, upload, delete, and download everything in your organization. And the last menu is where you can make the important settings of your organization, as well as managing the members, licenses, creating reports, and checking credits of your organization. There is a small bell next to the menu bar, which you will see a number depending on the notification received. Then there is a menu button. This button will open a set of applications from ArcGIS Online package that you can use. And the last button is your profile, which, except the setting, you can access trainings, community, and ArcGIS blogs. Let's go back to our homepage, and I will make a few changes of it. We have this small button here, Edit Homepage, and if I click this button, we see a space that we can customize our landing page or our homepage. We see a couple of content here that we can customize. We can customize the header, which is just welcome. We can customize the content block, which are the content block here. We have only thank you for subscription. We will see later that we can add our applications here in drop down, and we can edit the footer links, the links that we see here. We can edit, we can add more links, or we can modify the current one. I'm going to modify only the header. Meanwhile, you can play with the colors and with other details that we just saw. So for text, I'm going to write ArcGIS Online for everybody. And as a background image, I'm not going to choose something default by ArcGIS Online, but I'm going to upload a custom cover, which already I have uploaded, but by the replace file you can choose another custom cover as an image. And in the colors, I'm going to choose another theme, not the black one. I'm going to choose the yellow theme, and I will click save now. Now I will close it, and I will see that my landing page now is a little bit yellowish, and also that the links are something near with the yellow, let's say with a yellow filter, to give you the idea that with the edit homepage we can customize everything in the first screen. That was all for this video. See you in the next video.